analysis of stresses in three dimension. Now this is a this is a, this is a tetrahedron. Okay, this is a tetrahedron, and we will explain the analysis, and we'll do the analysis of three-dimensional stress system. Okay, now you please draw the figure, and then I will explain this figure first. After, just you note down. Now let me explain this figure. This is this face ABC. This is the normal on that plane. The plane is again inclined to this. Okay, you understand that. Let L, M, and N are the direction cosines of this plane. This is perpendicular. So sigma L will be in the x direction, sigma M will be in the y direction, and sigma N will be in this z direction. Okay, this component of this sigma. Okay, now I can explain this one easily from my first video, stress tensor. This is sigma z. It is in the negative z direction. So this will be tau zx will be positive because z is negative, x is negative in this direction. So this makes positive. So we have shown the all positive stresses. Okay. Then considering the equilibrium of forces in the x direction, we get, so we don't have to explain you more about this. Actually, sigma A is the stress force in the perpendicular direction of the face ABC, and into L it will be in the x direction. Okay, so force in the, this is the force in the x direction. So these are just to take the component of all the forces in the. So this is equation number 1. Okay, then we roll on. You just read it. It is self-explanatory. It is clearly written. The equations on the y direction, sigma m, y direction. Okay, and this is sigma n in the z direction. L, M, N are the direction cosines. Okay, now we have got the three equations. This is one equation. This is one equation. Okay, this is number 2 equation, and this is number 3 equation. These three equations are called the Cauchy's equation or Cauchy's formula for stress. Now this equation can be expressed in the matrix form. This equation 1, 2, 3 can be expressed in the matrix form. Okay, what does it mean? For this, what is the implications of this matrix? Now these are the, this matrix is given, okay, and the plane on which we want to, this is the plane is given. Plane means direction cosines of the plane is given. So we have to find out the component of the sigma L, sigma M and sigma N. Sigma L is nothing but the component of sigma in the x direction. This is y direction and this is z direction. So we have to find out this one given this and the plane. Okay, so this is actually Cauchy's formula. Okay, then next one is we have got these three equations, Cauchy's equation formula for stress. Then we get by arranging this formula we get this one. This is the equations we have got, equation sets we have got. This one. Now this is the equation. So right hand side is 0. So its determinant, the above three equations will have solutions provided this the determinant of that should be equal to 0. What is the determinant found out? Sigma x minus sigma tau xy in this first column, this is the second column tau xy, this one, and this is the third column. Why we are doing this? This equation is will give you the value of sigma. Okay, now then that determinant we are expanding. This is a very tedious job. No problem. This is you can expand this in this form. I will show it. You can do yourself. This expanding. You note down and then you compare. Now we are getting this equation. Very good equation. Sigma q. No, so this equation 1, the equation 1 will give you three values of sigma, that is sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3. Okay. Now let us express this in this form, because sigma is equal to sigma 1, sigma is equal to sigma 2, sigma is equal to sigma 3. We will give this one. Then comparing with, this is getting this one. Okay, comparing with 1, comparing the two equations 1 and 2, we get what we get. These three equations we get. This set of equations we get. Okay. please note down this one also. This does not depend upon the choices of xyz axis. Any axis you can take xyz in any direction, that will give you the same equation. That's why it is called the invariant. Okay, that's all.